Hey guys, just a quick one here. Yesterday I made a post about how I do my window trim and I got a bunch of questions off of that, and so I want to answer one or two of those. I think probably just one for tonight. One of them was about baseboard. Let me just turn this around. So the question that I had was, what do you do in these 45-degree outsides? Because typically when I'm doing square trim like this, you're just doing a flush cut on the inside. And so it's only where you have an outside corner that you need to worry about the 45s. But typically, if you try to nail these individually, sorry, I'm just trying to get a good angle. If you try to nail these individually, you see how one of them's always going to want to pull away, and then you end up getting these little gaps here? Well, I got a pretty good trick for you, so hang on. Okay, so I think you all know that I really like Titebond 3. It's probably one of my favorite glues out there. Holds really well, waterproof if you need it to be, waterproof. Yeah, waterproof right there. But super holding power. But when it comes to gluing your outside corners, and you always glue your outside corners, right? I also like to use some form of an instant glue. In this case, Instant Bond. There's all kinds, Sure Bond, there's lots out there. But the reason you want to have both is that you can get good holding power in the long term using the Titebond 3, but you can, in about 10 seconds, if you use this activator spray, in about 10 seconds, that will have set up enough that you can actually put that corner together and put your finish nails in. So, watch this. Okay, so what you want to do is set your corner up just like that. I'm going to start with the Titebond 3 because that gives you your spots of where you'll be able to put your instant glue afterwards. So you don't need a lot of this. Because those instant glues have really improved over the last little while. So they have much better long-term holding power than they ever used to. Okay, so right there you've got your Titebond 3 on there. Now on the other side, we're just going to put about the same amount of instant glue. And then you're going to take your activator spray. And I'm going to just spray the activator spray onto the other side and just set the two up. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. Set up your corner. I know you can't see that very well. And you'll feel it setting up pretty quickly. Okay, well, so within, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds, you've got a pretty solid joint already. Now I got a little bit of glue squeeze out on the front side, but it's already hardened because of the activator spray. So let's go give it a try, see if it fits. All right, you guys, so it's been about, I want to say probably 45 seconds since I left this room, did the gluing, and came back. So, see, pretty solid. Sorry. Let's just see how she does. Pretty good. It's a good tight fit. All right, so there you go. That's pretty simple, but just remember, always glue your outside corners and use a combination of instant glue and your glue of choice. Mine's Titebond 3. Hope that helps.